Are negative reviews hurting your business? Imagine if you could catch unhappy customers before they leave a bad review and turn them into satisfied clients. With Media Guru's AI's reputation management, we do just that. When reviews are 3 stars or less, they're immediately sent to you to handle directly, giving you a second chance to make things right. But for 4 stars and above, we direct those happy customers straight to Google, showcasing your glowing reviews publicly. What makes this system even more powerful? Our AI automatically responds to all reviews, whether good or bad, helping you maintain a proactive, engaging online presence. This not only builds customer trust, but also boosts your SEO rankings. Imagine hundreds of reviews automatically boosting your business's credibility while you handle the important stuff. And it's all managed in one easy-to-use dashboard. From monitoring reviews to responding instantly, you'll have complete control over your online reputation. Ready to turn reviews into your business's greatest asset? Visit MediaGurusAI.com and see how we can help you win more customers with ease.